Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Now let us do the next important question for the upcoming May 2025 examination. This is a question from my mastery book. It is coming as question number 7, friends. Alright. Now, sorry, it's in my ODBE book, not in the mastery book. In the ODBE book, it is coming as question number 7. It's a very good question on futures. Let us do this question together now. Okay. So I'll write working note number 1. Basic data. You have the value of BSE over here as how much, friends? The value of BSE is 5,000. What is the value of the portfolio? Is it turning out to be 10 lakh 10,000? Correct. RF is how much percentage? RF turns out to be 9%. And what about dividend yield on index that you have over here? Is it turning out to be 6%? What is the beta that they have given over here? Is the beta given as 1.5? So friends, RF is given, yield is also given, and they have given you the spot value over there. They have assumed that a future contract on BSE index with 4 months maturity. So future contract with 4 months maturity is entered in the which market, friends? It is entered in the future market. Everyone clear? But this is entered against a spot duration of only how many months, friends? Only 3 months. That's what they are telling over here. I'll just show it to you. Wait. They have told over the next 3 months, okay, with 4 months maturity to hedge over the next 3 months. Everybody clear with this part? So here the problem is that normally if you are entering for 3 months in the spot market, you enter for 3 months in the future market. But in this question, you have entered for 3 months in the spot, 4 months in the future, because of which there is a deviation in the entire answers and the calculation. I hope everybody is clear with this part now. Okay. Now, with this data, they are asking you first to find out the price of the future contract. So I'll write down the next working note heading. The price of the future contract. Friends, we already know in order to find the future price, we can use the formula S0 into e raised to r minus y into t. Everyone clear? So future price will be equal to what is spot price that you have over here, friends? Spot price is 5,000 into e raised to 0.09 minus 0.06 into 4 divided by 12, friends. Okay, because the duration is how many months? 4 months. I'll get 0.01. So F0 is equal to 5,000 into e raised to 0.01. Now, how do you find out the e raised to 0.01? 1 plus r square by 2. So, what is 0.01 square divided by 2 plus 1.01? You'll get the answer as 1.01005 as the e raised to rt. Therefore, F0 will be equal to 5,000 into 1.01005. Do I get the answer as 5050.025? Friends, ideally the answer should be 5050.025, but your study material, what they have done is they have rounded off this particular thing to what? They have rounded off the particular thing to 5050. Is everybody clear with this part now? Okay, it is rounded off to 5050. Everybody is clear with this part now. Next, once you get this 5050 as the answer, we will go to part B, where we need to find out the gain on short. Okay, I'll come to that part later. Let me draw a diagram to explain the whole scenario to you now. All right. So let us say this is time 0. Okay. So in the spot market, what have you done? You have bought for a value of 10 lakh 10,000. This is for how many months duration? 3 months duration only, right? So let us say if this period is January, this period will be what? This period will be March. Everybody clear? Now, against this, we have to go for a perfect hedging, friends. Now, tell me, how do you go for a perfect hedging? For going for a perfect hedging, the formula for value to hedge will be S0 into beta into how much percentage? Into 100 percentage. So that will be 10 lakh 10,000 into 1.5 into how much percentage? Into 100 percentage. Am I right? So what is the answer you will get over here? Do I get the answer as 15 lakh 15,000? Am I right? This I will divide it by the contract size. So what is the contract size given over here? I believe they have told the future price is 5050 and it is for delivery how many times? 50 times. So minimum 50 future contracts I have to buy. Price of one future contract is 5050. Hence the total value will be what? 5050 into 50. 2,52,500. So now tell me, what is 15,15,000 divided by 2,52,500? Do you get the answer as 6 contracts over there, friends? Correct? So here what are you supposed to do? You buy 10 lakh 10,000. Here you will end up selling how much? 15 lakh 15,000. But this is sold for how many months duration, friends? It is sold for 4 months duration. So now when you're selling it for 4 months duration, I have to nullify this contract at the end of 3 months. How will you nullify it at the end of 3 months? You will buy 1 month future. So this will come 1 month future. Both of these things over here will become what? It will become nullified. I hope everybody is clear with this part now, friends. So that is how we are going to enter into a contract. Everybody clear with this part? Yes. Now let me go to the next one, friends. Fine. So we got 6 contracts. Okay. So now what is the first question they are asking over here? They are asking if after 3 months the index turns out to be 4,500, what is the gain on the short selling position is what they are asking. Fine. Let's do one thing. First, we will go and find out what will be the theoretical future price. Theoretical future price after how many months, friends? After 3 months. So again the formula would be F0 is equal to S0 into e raised to r minus y into t, or in other words it will be 4,500 into e raised to 0.09 minus 0.06 into 1 divided by 12. I believe the yield is 6%. Yes. So that will be 4,500 into e raised to 0.0025 percentage. Sorry, 1 minute. 0.09 minus 0.06 divided by 12. 0.0025. Or that will be nothing but 4,500 into 1 plus r square by 2. It will be 1.00250625. So when I multiply with this, I'll get the answer over here as 4511 as the value of the index future, friends. Yes, so I got 4511 as the value of the index future. We have got the answer as 6 contracts. Initially, you're selling 6 contracts. Subsequently, what are you doing? You are buying 6 contracts. So this is the initial contract, sell, subsequent contract, buy. So they want to find out what is the gain or loss in the short selling position. Everybody clear with this part? Therefore, I'll just come and show you. I'll write down the final working note now. Gain or loss on short selling. So friends, initially what did they do? Initially they sold how many contracts? 6 contracts, correct? How did you sell 6 contracts? 50 into 5050 into 6. Do you get the answer as 15 lakh 15,000? Subsequently, what are you going to do? You are supposed to buy how many contracts, friends? You're supposed to buy 6 contracts. So now it will be 50 into not 5050, it will be 4511 into 6. Do you get the answer as 13 lakh 53,300? So therefore, tell me, friends, what will be your gain on short futures position. Your gain will be this minus 15 lakh 15,000, that is 1,61,700. So friends, with this we are done with another beautiful question, which is an important question for the upcoming May 2025 examination. Please go through this video and let me know if you have understood everything properly. If you have any doubts, you can also WhatsApp me. I am always available for you, friends. Let's study together. Let's win together.